Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create 404 error page on the website. Let's go to this website. I'll show you right now. We are on this page. Let's go to the about page, and here I will make a little mistake in the URL. Let's add double T and open it. Here you can see the page cannot be found. Actually what happened, the URL is due to URL mistake. Because that page was not exist, so it showed this message, but this is a default message of Biloxi theme. We can customize it like in this video I'll show you how to customize it. It will look like this one. Like, let's make a little mistake here. Here you can see this is right now this is a professional error page, 404 error page, and from here you can click on it and you can go to the home, back to the home page. Here you can see, or if you are already logged in that case you can go to the account page as well. Let's make a mistake in services. Let's make the check. Let's click on the account page, and here you can see I'll back on the account page. Let's make again mistake in the account page. Let's add some extra words. Here you can see this is the. So in this video I'll show you how we will create this 404 error page using Elementor. So let me show you right now how it is looking. I'll go to this about page and let's make a little mistake in the URL. Here you can see this right now 404 error page is looking like this. Oops, this page cannot be found. So this is a very ugly and boring page. So we will design it something good. So let's start. I'll go back to WordPress dashboard. From here I'll go to the Elementor Theme Builder, and in the Theme Builder we have this. Here is the option where we can redesign it. So I'll go here, error 404. Right now there is no exist, so I'll add one. We can use these templates as well, but we will start from the scratch, so we will design our own. So for the 404 page, we don't need the header and footer. So what I'll do, I'll go to the page settings, and from here page layout, I'll select the Elementor canvas. Elementor canvas, what it will do, it will just remove the header and footer, and we will have a clean canvas. Here you can see from where we can start. So I'll go here and I'll add this container, this main container. So I'll go here in the container settings, and in the style I'll take a background image that I already added to save the time. So I just added that, and I'll apply some styles on this image. Here you can see in the position, we will make it position center. Here you can see, and let's make it no repeat, and the cover size should be the cover. Display size cover. Let's give us some minimum height. In viewport height I'll give it 100, so it should fit in the front screen. So let's add, and let's see on the front end. Here you can see this way, not this way. So this is something that is about the 404 page, 404 error. Actually that is page not found error. So let's add a heading. From here I will take this, and after that I'll take a list. I'll take this list, and sorry, we should add it here. I'm not sure why it is not going here. Okay, so after that we'll take again title, heading. From here you can see this is the heading we added, and after that I'll take text editor for a little description, and after that I'll take two call to actions. Let's add the button one, and I'll do it duplicate. So let's add the content first. So this will be the 404. Okay, and then after that we'll go here and I'll remove these two lists, and I'll take arrow as the icon. I'll take this long arrow, and then I'll write it page not found, page not found. And after that I'll go for this heading and I'll write here looks like the page. So looks like this page took you a wrong turn. So, and then I'll go here and I'll add a content here as well. That will be this page. So after that we'll update the content in the buttons, like this is a wrong page, then we should redirect the user to a right page. So we'll make it redirect them to the home, and from here we can select the home page, and we can add the icon as well. So I'll add the icon as well. Here you can see, and then we'll go for the second call to action, and this will be the, here we can add it my account. If the user is login and member of the site, then he can go to the my account as well. Here you can see the my account, and we will use icon for this as well. My account is something like the settings page, so we will take this one. Okay, so my account. Okay, now let's style it. So I'll make it, okay, so let's make it 400. It's 150, and we can make this a different color to give us style. So there are two options. That one, we can span it, wrap it with the span. Here you can see, and here the span will be close. And what we can do inside this span, we can take style tag, and and then in style we can use color and semicolon, and then we can add the color. Here, from here we will copy the color code. I'll just go and copy this, and I'll go back to this, where it is. Okay, yes, here it is. So I'll go here and I'll add this design color, and here you can see. Okay, there is another option as well that I want to tell you, that is also important, because if you don't know how to code, then in that case that will be difficult for you. So you should know the alternate option as well. We'll take this color, and what I'll do, I'll remove it for now. Okay, so I'll make it content 404. In this style, I'll go in the style typography and I'll make it 150, and make line height 150. And now what I'll do, I'll go to the content, and here I will select it. Here is the text color, so I'll go here in the custom, I'll click here, I'll paste the link here, click on it, okay, and here you can see. So let's go to the typography, and here I will increase its weight to bold. Here you can see. So this is looking good now. Another thing, I want these two buttons in the same inline position. Like for that we can do, there are two options. Like first I'll just put this, add the button, add second button, and then I'll just change its direction and these two will be done. But the other options that we have here, you can see, I'll go here, I will remove this, and now what I'll do, I'll go here, I'll change its direction to this, and after this what I'll do, I'll make it from the advanced I'll go here and make it 100, and from the list I'll go here, advanced, I'll make it 100%. Then I'll go to this one, in the advanced I'll make it 100%. Again I'll go for the text, in the advanced I'll make it 100% width, and then we have this. Okay, let's do it first. Now what I'll do, I'll go here and I'll make it wrap, and here you can see. Now we need to adjust their sizes, paddings and these things, and this will be done. So I'll go to the main container. Here you can see, I'll click on it, and from here I'll make it here you can see this way, in the middle, align items middle center. And then because we are using a wrap, so then we will use this alignment as well, align content. This was align items, and now we will align the content in the middle and center. Here you can see this one, and we can increase the width as well, you can gap as well. Here you can see, you can use it 30, but I think 20 is good. So let's publish it and see it on the front end. Here you can see, yes. So we'll add some more styling to look it better how I want to look it. So I'll go here and I'll do its more styling. I'll give it text color, this one, and I'll go here, and here I will go to the icon color and I'll make the icon color this one, and I also need to increase the icon size, so I'll make it this way. And after that I'll go to the text icon, list text. Here I will increase its weight. I think its weight should be 600, and I want to make it 18. Yes, this is good. I think it was already 18. So, and now I will change its color, this one. Now I'll go here and I will increase its size by 50, and it is good. Looks like this page took you a wrong turn. I think it should be okay. That's fine. So I'll go here and I'll go here. I will increase its size to 24, and now this is looking good. And about these buttons, of course I'll change its styling as well. I'll go for this one, and the hover color is good, but in the primary color, normal color, I'll change the text color to this one. And for this button, I'll go to design, and primary color I'll make it transparent. From here I'll go and I'll make it transparent, and no, text should be something like this color, and I'll make the background color as transparent. Here you can see, and hover I will use some, yes, hover is good. So I'll just apply the border. I'll go here, solid border, and I'll make it its width should be 2 pixels, and its border radius should be 8 pixels, and same. Okay, its hover color is hiding the text color, so I'll go on it. I'll go to the hover, and here I will change its color to the white for the hover. Here you can see, and what I'll do for this, yes, we will increase the border radius as well. Right now it's default, so I'll make it 8 border radius as I did for this. So let's publish and see on the front end. Yes, right now this is looking very good. So let's see how it should work. We'll go on the front end. Let's go to the about page and let's make a mistake in the URL, and here you can see this is applied. So how it is applied, actually when we saved first time, so display condition included 404 page, and that means it will be applied everywhere. Okay, so 404 page is completed. Here you can see, and this is looking very good, by the way. Let's try it some other pages as well. Let's go and do it on services page. Here we have this services. Let's open it and let's make a mistake in the URL. Let's add and here you can see. So this is a very professional way. Most of the people just design the whole website but do not